Hello, everyone. Today I am going to talk about an important event in my past. One special experience I remember very well was trip I took ICA with my friends last year. We traveled for a long weekend and we stayed 2 days and 1 night. Last Saturday morning, we arrived early and stayed in a hotel near the center. During the day, we visited the lagoon of Wakachina and enjoyed the lake space of the center. We did some boarding, took many photos, and had a lot of fun. In the afternoon, we walked around the area and raced. I met with a dinner together and talked a lot. I didn't feel stressed and I forgot about the problems. The street was very special to me because I felt happy, relaxed and freely helped me get out of my routine and spend important moment with my friends. I will always remember this trip to Ica. Thank you for listening.